So if you've already watched the X9 Ultra review, which if you haven't, links up here, you'll know that the camera system on this phone is easily one of the best you can buy on any phone right now. But that wasn't enough, so OPPO went ahead and made this, the Hasselblad Explorer Kit. But the main question is it actually good, or is it just one of those things you chuck in a drawer after you use it for a week? Now, I've already been using it, so let me show you what it can do. Spoiler alert, it's pretty good. If you're looking to pick up the X9 Ultra or the Explorer Kit, we have both available on Unlocked by Outflex. Link in description. Now, let me show you what this can do. Alright, before we get into this, let me do the unboxing. This box is massive, by the way. I had to tilt my camera up just to get it in frame. Inside this little thing, we get a picture frame, which I wasn't expecting, but it's really nice that it's there. Get the accessories box, the main lens kit. Ooh, a nice little case. Honestly, I just wanted to get the box out of frame because this thing was taking up so much space. It didn't want to come out, so I had to, yep, nice. Get a user manual. Alright, unboxing the case. Oh, that looks so nice. This is a really nice looking case. Honestly, the way it feels also is just really nice. Now let's put the phone in the case. Yeah, no, that's good. That's a nice case. All right, let's see what's in the accessories box. All right, so you get the different lens attachments. That's nice. And then the main lens. Oh, okay. So you get the lens hood. And then of course you get the main lens itself, the 300mm telephoto lens attachment. Oh, that looks so good. This thing is heavy, by the way. Now, you've probably already seen this location. I came here to film with the X9 Ultra, but now I have the Explorer Kit. Let's see what those pictures look like. So while it does come with other things, I think the main things are just the actual case and the lens, and they're honestly pretty easy to install. I just put this together like this. I already have installed the main plate, but I mean that's pretty easy to install. And then you just put the lens on. Wait. And then you snap it. Perfect, that's not going anywhere. Let me take off the lens cap. Okay, by the way, this is insane for a phone. I think the main thing is to see what the pictures look like. Right, it's on, it's just gonna connect. There's a white light and it's connected. Okay, I have 67% connected. You know what, the sunset picture was quite nice. Let me try the sunset again. What if I just zoom into the, yo, that's bright. Let me go back. Let me just take a picture of the sun. Nice, I wanna get that. That's nice. Let me see what that looks like. That's good. That's really good. Okay, what should I zoom in? I just want to zoom into things. I think, you know what, let's zoom into this. Can I zoom in like all the way? This feels like stalking. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna zoom into something else. How about this? This is nice. Let's just take a picture of this. What does that look like? That's pretty good. It's a plain background though. I want something with more, not depth. Just, you know, I'll take a picture of this. There's a lot of people there, but let me try. Ooh, actually. Oh, there's a random guy. Okay, he needs to move. Yeah, this is good. Only thing is, I can't really take the same pictures because this is the minimum zoom, and well, I mean, I can more or less see inside. I don't want to see inside. So I need to think of something. What about just a flag? Can I just zoom into the flag? Oh, I can. Oh, that's good. Let me take a picture of that. What does that look like? Yeah, that's pretty good. My only thing is I have to take pictures of stuff that's already pretty far away. Like that. Yeah, actually I can zoom out a bit for this. I can zoom out more. Ooh, nice. Yeah. See, I'm not the best at taking pictures. This makes me good, okay? I'm doing the best I can. I'm getting hard carried by the phone and the lens. Ooh, wait, can I use the sun? Oh, I can't. The sun's quite far away. Just still pretty good actually if you ask me. So I've given the phone to someone, they're gonna take a picture of me because I can't aim that at myself. Like I said, it's got a minimum zoom on that thing, and I mean, I'm standing right next to the phone, so that doesn't work. So, is this good? Can you take one in portrait? Okay. Honestly, both the X9 Ultra and the kit, so good. Like, actually so good. Like I said, I'm not the best at taking pictures. Yeah, this helps. This definitely helps. Of course, like I said, all the pictures that I put, they're probably on screen somewhere. And also, I'll be putting a lot more pictures on the Instagram, which is here. So give that a follow. Okay, so I've taken pictures. I see this other couple down here. I'm gonna ask them if they want a picture. No, you're taking a picture. Okay. You guys mind if I take a picture? Sorry? You guys mind if I take a picture of y'all? I'm using this new phone and this new camera. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna take it. Oh my god, that looks lovely. Yeah. Dang, that looks good. That's what it looks like.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's really nice.
Yeah.
What is the telephoto lens?
It's 300 by the way.
Oh.
Yeah, this I had to go there because the minimum zoom is it's quite close.
Okay.
But yeah, thank you so much. Okay, I think I've done enough picture taking. Now, my honest review. It's a really, really good lens. I don't know if I'd carry it everywhere though, but maybe for like special occasions or like a vacation or something, I'm bringing this with me. The base X9 is already a really good camera. This just adds to it. And honestly, I didn't think I was going to like it. I'm adding this everywhere now. This is easily one of my favorite camera attachments I've ever used. Again, if you want to pick up either the X9 Ultra or the camera lens kit, or both, we have all of that in stock in the description. So feel free to check it out. And if you have any questions, message us directly on WhatsApp and we'll get back to you. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.